Gahanap ka ba ng soon-to-be ready for occupancy units na very accessible near from Southwoods exit and complete turnover yung unit? Tara, may papakita ko sa'yo. Ayan, so nandito po tayo sa Privado Homes, Vivian City along San Francisco Road. Napakalapit lang niya from SLEX and even sa National Road natin. So paglabas nyo po, marami po, very accessible na siya sa mga family needs natin. This is a Nangka model with lot area of 50 square meter and floor area of 56.85 square meter. So sa harapan natin is we have our carport and ito yung mga steps natin going inside. So dito kasya po ang sedan natin and even yung mga small SUV natin kasya po dyan. Okay? So tara, pasok po tayo. So again, bago tayo pumasok guys, ayan, meron tayong 4-panel na windows po dito. Then, meron pong naka-bricks na siya na may effect of stones. So ito po yung ating door. Ayan, made of wood po. Ayan, so upon entering guys, ito yung ating area for living area. Then dito, siguro pwede or hatiin mo siya into half. So pwede dyan yung dining area mo. Then at the same time, ito po yung kitchen natin. So lahat po nakikita nyo is, ito na po yung deliverable or ito yung marireceive po nila upon turnover. So we have our hanging cabinet. Then we have a kitchen here. So alam ko sa kitchen natin is movable siya kung gusto mo i-adjust or gusto mo siyang ilipat dito. So may chance, di ba? So ayan dito. So ito yung ating space for our laundry area. Then we have here, napaka-nice ng natin, toilet and bath dito. So, meron tayo ditong cabinet, toilet cabinet na naka-mirror na siya. Then we have our lavatory here. Then ito yung ating shower. So, napaka-elegant po ng shower natin, even the tiles. Then we have here our toilet. Ayan. So, dito kailangan mo na lang kung papa-enclose mo siya, ayan, para mas elegant pa siya. So, tara, akit po tayo. So, dito sa second floor, yung steps natin is naka-vinyl na siya. Okay? Then, dito sa second floor, naka-vinyl din. Then, we have our first bedroom. So, on our first bedroom, ito po. So, very ideal para sa mga kids natin. So, meron din tayong sliding window at the same time, nakaabang na siya for window type aircon. Then, good thing, included na po yung ating built-in cabinet. So, ayan na po siya. Ayan. So, let's have the master's bedroom. So, ito po yung ating master's bedroom. Ayan. Then, good thing din dito, guys, naka-built-in cabinet na rin tayo. Ayan. So, included na rin po siya upon turnover, guys. So, literally, gamit mo na lang at family mo na lang or ikaw na lang ang lilipat dito. Then, another good thing guys, meron tayong 1 horsepower na split type aircon. So, once na turnover siya, included na po siya. Okay? So, if you're interested here, so soon to be ready for occupancy yung unit dito, isa na lang to. So, don't hesitate to message me para for the complete details and sample computation. And at the same time, if you want to view this, just simply message me. This is Yun Yambao, your property consultant here in Laguna. Bye-bye!